2025年啦。如果大家都仲係覺得腫瘤、癌症要靠電療或者化療去解決嘅，好好睇下呢條片。有 cancer 嘅人咧，都係好 negative。早上咁多位，今日你如果好似我咁有病有 cancer 有腫瘤，我係第2次康復緊。除咗醫生嘅意見之外
They run an advertisement. They say buy these pills, and they don't have all the fine print that it might not work, and you have to have a monthly subscription. Being
That's
a
a little
scam.
你都可以對自己嘅健康係更加認識。以我為例，我靠呢幾樣嘢就可以將一半嘅腫瘤減走。所以今日我為咗自己咧 plan 好咗一個療程，將我自己嘅生命再一次延續落去。好簡單，每個人都可以做到嘅。有好多比醫生以外嘅嘢，你哋應該要好好參考下。啲檸檬又係正，哇！